In this video, you will see how to add text in Canva. If you are unable to type text in Canva, then don't worry, there are total 3 methods to add text in your Canva sheet. It's very easy. First, what you need to do is go to the element option here, and then you can select the shape. For example, we will select the square, and after inserting the square, you can hold the square and place it anywhere, and you can type text inside the square. Now you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard and then increase the font size if you want to, and you can make it bold and change the color of the font if required. And if you want to remove the shape color, you can go here and then just select the option, for example, no color, to remove the color. You can also resize the text box if required, like this. So this is one method. And for the next method, what you can do is you can click here on the text option, this capital T, and then you will see a lot of options here. So you can click on add a text box and a text box will appear. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the text box. You can drag it down and type the text inside the text box as required. You can move this text box anywhere you like in the document. You can also use these templates available here, and for the third method, you will see some templates available here. You can just click on any one of the template, resize it according to your use, and then place it anywhere inside the document. You can double click inside them and then type the text you want, or delete the text that you don't want. If you want to learn Canva quickly, check out these useful videos shown on screen, and don't forget to click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.